What's up, guys? This is Josh here, and today is going to actually be a quick video. Back on February the 7th, as you can see, I purchased 316 Dogecoins, and they were worth right at a little over 7 cents per coin, and I paid nearly $25 for those 316 coins. Fast forward until today, and let's see what this portfolio is actually worth. And if you care about your financial future, go ahead and obliterate that like button. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you are looking for ways that you can save, make money, and you're interested and excited about all things related to your finances, go ahead and click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss a thing. So I use Robinhood to do my crypto investing, and you can get free stock value up to $500 with Robinhood. And Robinhood is a free investing app that you really can do from your phone. I mean, it's free all around. It's free to join, and they don't charge you fees to buy or sell your stock or your crypto. You can get shares of stock in companies like Amazon, Apple, Google, Tesla, and you can take those free stocks, and this is what I do. I take those free stocks and I turn around and invest them back into crypto, and you can do that for as little as $1 if you really wanted to. And the best part is when these companies profit, so do you. So in order to get your free stock today, I have a link down in the description box below. Click it out, link your account, and you will literally receive a free stock. So since I started in February, Dogecoin just broke an all-time record ahead of Elon Musk's Saturday night skit, which is actually airing tonight. Elon Musk is anticipated to air a skit about, guess what? Doge. Now, I'm not giving financial advice, nor can I foresee the future. But I do believe that Doge will continue to rise. Dogecoin just hit 73 cents per coin this morning. Elon Musk tweeted many times about this coin, with the recent one being about Doge being a co-host of tonight's Saturday Night Live. Now, if you decide to invest or put money in Doge or any stock of that matter, make sure that you do your own due diligence and your own research, and just don't listen to a random guy on the internet. So here's what my Dogecoin is worth today. As you can see, I added roughly $454 in total by just dropping a few dollars here and a few dollars there, meaning I was able to turn my $454 into nearly, drum roll please, $1,590 as of today, which is a return of $1,136. Now, that's pretty sweet. Remember that investments go up and down, so make sure that you do your own research, and if you see that investment going down, don't freak out. It's not the end of the world. It's like a roller coaster. It goes up, it goes down, it goes side. Well, it doesn't really go side to side, but you get the point. Y'all, I am so excited about this today, so make sure you go on and get your free stock with Robinhood by clicking the link down below. Check out more videos on how you can save, how you can make money, and if you're excited about all things related to your finances, go on and check out more videos right over there. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and that way you don't miss anything, and I will see you in the next video.